it's your girl Shantes, also known as With Love SB. Welcome back to my channel, family. If you are new here, welcome, bro. Welcome, sis. Come on in. Come on in. You can join the family. You can join the community too. All you gotta do is subscribe to the channel. You can turn on those bell notifications too, so you can stay notified. Y'all know how that's go. I want you to come on in. It's nothing but love. Why not stay? For those of you who've been subscribed, you already know the deal. I love y'all all so much for your love and support. Y'all are awesome. Like, I have the best family ever. Anyway, as you can see from the title of today's video, I am currently 2 months into my second lock journey. Yes, I have made it to the 60-day mark, and I'm so excited, y'all. Restarting my lock journey has been the best decision that I have made thus far, because I am literally able to apply and do everything that I should have been doing or had wished I'd done the first go round. I can do that now. My babies, my seeds of love are going to flourish like none other because I'm able to care for them, tend to them, love them, like I'm able to pour into them the way that I need to, and I'm just so proud of myself for taking that leap of faith, because look, I mean, I know I'm only 60 days in, but come on, let me stop. I'm just joking. I'll jokey joke. So as far as maintenance is concerned, I do spritz my hair every single day. It's from the Heritage store. It's their rose water and glycerin. It's a facial mist, but it's very good for the hair as well. They did recently change the look of their brand, but this is what it looks like. So this is their rose water and glycerin. Also, in addition to using this, I use aloe vera juice. Now, this is something that I didn't do my first go round, but because I know that aloe vera juice is very good for the health of your hair, and because I want my locks this go round to be very healthy and strong and thick and voluptuous, I incorporate aloe vera juice. And this is the brand that I'm using right now. It's Fruit of the Earth. Yes, I have the big boy. I got the big jug right here. Give you a closer look. So this is the Fruit of the Earth aloe vera juice. After I spritz my hair, I go in with my essential oils and I go and massage my scalp. Now, I did experience severe hair loss. I suffer from it for 2 reasons. Well, 3 reasons really. My edges, my edges on this side have always been fairly weak for like quite some time. But in addition to that, I was retwisting my hair way too often, and so my edges, or the locks around the perimeter of my head, were starting to really thin out. In addition to that, I lost 2 locks. Tragic, but like I said, we're here now. So what I've been using, and this is a Black-owned company. This is their Heavenly Flow Intense Scalp Hair Growth Serum by Renata. And so this is a product that I've been using really to assist with regrowing my edges. So this right here, just open it about out. So yeah, I just been taking that and just adding it to my hair, massaging it in. It has really been helping me out tremendously on the regrowth of my edges and my hair all together. So this is a great product. I am almost done. So what I decided to do was purchase from another Black-owned business. It's actually my mother's loctician. This is a product from her line. And honestly, my mother swears by it, and her locks are down her back, so I trust her. I'm gonna trust my mama. I'm gonna stick beside her, okay? I'm gonna trust her. But it has a lot of great products that will enhance hair growth. It's lightweight. It's a total of 11 essential oils that are beneficial for hair growth, aiding in hair loss, renewing and strengthening. It is great for all hair types, to include relaxed, natural, and or color treated hair. So I'm very excited to start using this product on my hair. It smells really good, and yeah, so that is what I do on the daily basis. In addition to keeping my hair hydrated every day, once a week Typically I do it on Tuesdays, don't ask me why. That's just the day I chose. I wash my hair. My first lock journey, I did not wash my hair until week 3. This go round, after 1 week, yes, I wash my hair, and I've been washing it faithfully every Tuesday since then, keeping my hair nice and clean, and then, you know, massaging it with my oils after that. That has been working for me. I have not really experienced issues with my locks unraveling, so everybody is different, to each his own. That is just what I've been doing personally, and I feel like it has been assisting with my locking process. So now that I've told you about what products that I am currently using on my hair, let's get into retwisting. On my first lock journey, I did my very first retwist at the 3-week mark. I couldn't go any longer than that, and then after that 3-week mark, I was retwisting my hair every 2 weeks. Tragic. That was a no-no. Now, because I realized how detrimental that was for me personally, I decided that on this journey, I wanted to wait until I reached 8 weeks locked, and then moving forward, I am going to wait between every 6 and 8 weeks before having my hair retwisted. So I've only retwisted my hair one time thus far on this lock journey. Not the greatest at retwisting, but hey, I did decent. Like, I did decent. Right? What y'all think? Give me a big thumbs up if you think that I did a decent job with my retwist. I think I did okay. It was a little more challenging because my parting spaces are bigger, and plus I had to retrain my hair and all of that. But I think that I'm not too shabby. Am I opposed to getting my hair professionally retwisted in the future? No, not necessarily. But me being able to self-maintain my own hair, it allows me the freedom and the control of when I get it done, how it's gonna look, and it also keeps money in my pocket. So, okay. Yeah. So the next thing that I want to talk about is color treated hair. My hair has been bleached and dyed for over 13 months now. I started my first lock journey with colored hair because I knew that I wanted blonde locks. So on that journey, I would retouch my color every 3 months. I don't foresee myself coloring my hair anymore. Tell me what you think. Give me your opinion in the comment section. Do you think that I should keep my hair color the way that it is? Or do you think that I should dye my hair all one color and dye it jet black? Tell me what you think. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and pull my hair down so you all can get a better look of what it's looking like now. Y'all don't look at my armpits because I haven't shaved them. So if this hair under there, then hey, that's my business. Of course, it's gonna look a little crazy because it's been up in that little bun, but here we are. This is what my babies are looking like right now. And let me show you my edges as well so you can see how they have started to grow in nicely. So this is the lock that I lost over here, originally under here. It's growing in on this side as well as here at where I had lost the lock over here. I am so proud of my hair. Let me show you so that you can compare my hair to when I first started, the transformation along the way. And at first I didn't really know during the first month. That's why I didn't really post a video during the first month, because I didn't really see too many changes like that. But for month 2, I just wanted to come in and show you a little update just so you can see how my hair has transformed thus far since day 1. And yes, the shrinkage is real as always. It's fine, but it lets me know that my hair is in fact maturing. I can't wait to keep you all posted with my journey. I even created a whole lock page on Instagram just so that I can share, you know, a visual journey with you all. So if you want to stay connected with me, you can see that down in the description bar as well. But thank you all so much for tuning in. I love you, mwah, 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 mwah. I'll see you in the next video.